Bea Alonso. Nilinaw ang magkaibang pahayag sa hiwalayan nila ni Dominic Roque. Ano nga ba ito? Tara't na't alamin! Nilinaw ng kapuso actress sa si Bea Alonso na hindi niya intensyong i-booking na ang kanyang ex-jowang si Dominic Roque ang nakipaghiwalay sa kanya. Sa kanyang naging interview sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, nilinaw ng aktres ang tila magkaibang pahayag niya matapos siyang usisain ng Asia's King of Talk kung ano ba talaga ang katotohanan sa kanyang mga naging pahayag. Matatandaang una nang sinabi ni Bea sa isang magazine interview na mutual ang naging desisyon nila na maghiwalay ni Dominic Roque. Ngunit ayon sa interview niya kay Nelson Canlas, sinabi naman niyang ang model and actor ang nakipag-break sa kanya. Sa naturang interview, sinagot na aktres ang tanong ni Tito Boy tungkol sa magkaibang pahayag na ito. Not that I owe anyone an explanation. I really don't want to talk about this anymore. But to answer your question, baka nga may mga nalilito. Paniwala ni Bea. During the time I did Tatler, that was like a month ago. Kasi bago sila makapag-release ng issue or even more, I don't remember when that was. But medyo matagal na. So that was the only time I talk about it because I was asked. I don't know, I kind of talk about it there. At sa naging pag-uusap niya kay Nelson Canlas na umere sa 24 oras, inamin niyang hindi niya intensyon na magbigay ng ilang mga detalye at naging komportable lang talaga siyang kausap ang kapuso reporter. Sabi ni Bea, and then during 24 oras interview, I didn't have the intention to talk about it because nga I really wanted to give respect to the relationship that was. But then, may comment si Nelson. Before his comment, we were talking about fake news and all that. I'm so comfortable talking to him as if walang camera sa harapan. And then, he went like, syempre ikaw yung nakipag-break. Hindi nila alam mahirap din sa'yo. Parang it was like on instinct I had to correct him. But I didn't have any intention to really talk about it. Chika pa ni Bea, mayroon ring naging follow-up question si Nelson na hindi na niya nasagot. It became a mutual decision eventually. Of course, we worked it out, right? It was a very serious relationship, obviously. So, hindi naman siya yung parang, we didn't take the decision lightly. It was a process. It was a long process. Eventually, it became mutual. Both parties agreed. Paglilinaw ni Bea. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating chika for today. Ano kaya sa palagay nyo? Mag-comment lang dyan sa baba. At huwag kalilimutang pindutin subscribe at bell button para lagi kayong ma-notify kapag nag-upload ako ng pinakabago at umaalab na chika. Pakipindot na din ang like at share button para marami pang ma-upload kagaya ng ganitong content. Yun lamang, paalam!